Hey, welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Thursday, March 8, 2018. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Memcached DDoS attacks, or distributed denial of service attacks. Memcached, I talked about this in one of the news bulletins a few days ago. And of course, it's one of those ways that you can attack and do really massive attacks on the internet. And we had our first demonstration against GitHub that was attacked last week with a apparently now it's like 1.7 terabytes per second of data. Now, it seems that the code to actually do this type of attack is now out in the wild, meaning everybody that is a bad guy can look at it and how to do it. And basically, it's scaring a lot of security experts. Some people are creeped out. Their Alexa assistant has been laughing randomly, and no one really knows why. And of course, it's creeping out some users, saying, whoa, in the middle of the night, you wake up and it's just laughing. It's like, okay, I gotta say that sounds more like a horror movie than anything else, and probably will spark something like, some kind of assassin assistant or something. So anyways, Amazon is working on a fix, and basically it should come back to normal soon. Cortana has a security flaw. Israeli researchers have found that using Cortana, you can actually open unencrypted websites, even if your lock screen is in the lock mode that you have to enter your password. And because of this, of course, it creates a security flaw. Now, of course, that means that you need to be at the computer, which makes it a little less important, but still, it is a security problem. Well, it's a big week for insiders after the release of 17.115 for fast ring insiders for the Spring Creators update on Tuesday. Well, yesterday was a skip ahead build that was actually sent out. So 17.618 skip ahead is now for those that are in this skip ahead program. And it welcomes back sets. Yep, sets have been coming back. So, of course, it is quite interesting. And sets is also open to more, basically, more apps like the File Explorer. So anyways, if you want to learn more, just look at the Windows Insider channel I've got. I will be talking about this. And, of course, today in the Windows Insider Hour, we'll talk about it also. Windows 10 S mode will be on almost every PCs very soon, apparently. Maybe even with an update coming this spring. So apparently Microsoft is very serious at adding S mode to all Windows versions. And the very good news is that anyone with S mode will be able to change or upgrade to the regular version totally free, regardless of the Windows version you're using. Well, it seems that according to a study, the worst place ever to basically be on the internet is the hotel room. It seems that hotel Wi-Fi is responsible for 1/3 of all security breaches. So basically, it's very important to be careful. And they say, well, hotel Wi-Fi are basically a gold mine for bad guys that wants to steal personal information. Well, this is not the robot, because this is the Lego one, but basically a robot beat the world record in solving the Rubiks Cube. And it did it in 0.38 seconds, which is a very big record. So machines are definitely more accurate and faster than humans from what we see here. Well, a lot of people are mad right now with Oculus because what we think is pretty much every single Oculus VR headset stopped working yesterday over an issue with a certificate that expired. And basically, you get a message that says, can't reach Oculus runtime service error. Of course, Oculus is looking into it, but there's still no date or no time where things could be fixed. Now, that created a lot of problems because some people are using the Oculus to do demonstrations of all sorts, and yesterday, none of that was working. Windows Defender has apparently protected Windows 7, 8.1, and 10 users from a major cryptocurrency mining malware that's called Dofoil. In the past few days, apparently, a mix of artificial intelligence and machine learning behind Windows Defender has helped the software detect it and prevent infections. Kind of interesting. And yeah, it is that sad story where it's pretty much official that the next version of Windows 10 coming to us in a few weeks will be called Spring Creators Update. Yeah, really, Microsoft? That's not very creative for a Creators Update. So anyways, that apparently is pretty much official. Everybody's kind of saying, yep, Spring Creators Update's coming. And this was the Tech News Update for Thursday, March 8th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.